Good morning. My hair is very frizzy today, but that's okay. I am a poodle. So today's video, I'm gonna be going through a week's worth of makeup. Sup, Dave? What's up? Today's Monday. I have a... What's up? So today I'm going to a doctor's appointment, so pretty much just doing my brows and my lashes because I'm gonna be wearing a mask. And I'm just going to the doctor's. So I'm going to show you what I use, how I use it. Today's just going to be the most boring day of all probably. I'm using my crappy Avon brow pencil because this thing still isn't dead. All done. I'm almost done. Adventures. See? I just need my eyebrows to be visible. That's it. Are you done with your toothbrush? You. And then lastly, I'm just going to throw on some of this Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. It is just it's just a tester that I'm trying to use up. Came with a Sephora order. Yeah. Yeah. And that's it. Just enough to make me look like a functioning member of society a little bit. The hair's not helping. Ahoy. So today, I'm literally getting dressed up to clean my kitchen. Actually, I do have to film a couple things, which is why I'm just trying to look a little bit presentable, just a little bit. So because I am actually filming today, I want to look a little bit more presentable than like I tried to yesterday, but I've already put my eyebrows on. I just used the same Avon pencil as yesterday. I'm gonna put a bit of this Physicians Formula Spotlight on my face. Do that. I'm just gonna blend some of this in my normal highlight spots. I'm not putting anything else on my face. I just want to look a little bit alive. But I like this stuff because once you blend it in, it's pretty not noticeable. I don't need a lot. And then for my eyes, I'm going to use this Bobbi Brown cream shadow stick. It's pretty much the same color as my highlighter. And I'm pretty much just going to slather this on my lid and blend it out with my finger. Nothing too fancy, but it's shiny. Same mascara as yesterday, the Milk Makeup. So one thing I will say about this mascara is it does seem to take a little while to set. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, and then I'm going to throw a tiny little bit of lipstick on just because I'm filming. This will come off like as soon as I'm done. This is the Tarte in Rum Punch, which is like one of my favorite nudes ever. Anyways, that's it. It is pretty and neutral. Okay, so I'm not doing anything too fancy this morning, but it is election day. I do have to go out and vote this evening, possibly this afternoon. I don't know what my schedule's looking like yet. I've already done my eyebrows, and I just want to add like a little something. I'm not doing any face base because although it is only 5 degrees right now, it is supposed to go up to 25 degrees by the afternoon because that's where we are in Ontario. That's fall for you. I'm gonna use a tiny little smudgy brush, and I'm using my Desert Vibes palette for September. And I think I'm just gonna go into Sundown, which is this like brown color, and I'm just gonna smooch some of that on my lash line. Really isn't that exciting, but it adds like just enough something to my eye that I feel like a little bit more like I've done something, you know. I'm gonna use Aurora, which is this like goldy champagne color up here. Put that on the inside where I didn't put the brown. Mascara, Milk Makeup, and again, I'm not gonna worry about my lips today because anywhere I go is going to be super public, so I'll be wearing a mask, and until then I'm just going to be at home puttering around the house. So I'm going to throw on some Watermelon Burst lip oil by Ciate. This is my favorite. And that's it for today. Okay, today is the last day of this. I don't have that much going on for the rest of the week. It is very gloomy today, so the lighting's a little crap, but hopefully this turns out okay. But I'm doing a full face today because I am planning on pre-filming quite a few videos. I'm gonna start by putting my base on. I'm using the Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer because it's very humid, so I didn't want anything falling off of my face. Then I'm going to smear in some of my NYX BB cream. Mine is in the shade Nude, but honestly I could have gone with the lighter color. But I grabbed this one by accident, and because it's a BB cream it's a little forgiving, so there's that. And again, because it's a BB cream, I do the old school way of just slathering it into my face. But my under eyes absolutely need it today. I will dab it out with my finger. Just get it where I want it. And then I go in with a sponge and blend the rest of that out. Highlighter, I'm just using a bit of the Physicians Formula Spotlight Primer. Not using the sponge for this, I just tap it out with my finger because it's a primer, so it absorbs pretty well and pretty quickly. And now I'm just gonna set my under eyes and my lids with my CoverGirl Clean Matte Powder. This is, again, my favorite powder. I keep all my favorite stuff in the bathroom to use on a regular basis. And I mean, this concealer does pretty well without being set, but I want to put eyeshadow on today, so. Eyebrows, same shit, different day. Then I'm also adding a little bit of blush. This is the Tarte Amazonian Clay in Quirky. Oh man, I forgot how good that looks. I haven't put blush on in so long. Now for eyeshadow. Again, haven't done this in so long. So I'm using my Desert Vibes palette just as my base. And I'm just going to use the first tan color here. Low Key. And that's going to just be my lid base, my blending base, so to speak. And then for my actual lid color, I'm going to just use this, my Princess color. This is from Ipsy. Oh, that's better. In this lighting, I'm not sure if you can see anything, but that is just a really faint pinky gold. Okay, mascara, same shit, different day. Okay, I feel cute. I feel cute. I like it. I like a tiny bit of pink. I look alive. I look like a human. And then for lipstick, I'm using the, this is my favorite pink, Nude Lust by Maybelline. Damn. I'm sorry, who's 31? Not me, only on paper. So that's it for this video. I'm gonna leave it here. If you want more makeup videos, let me know down in the comments. It's been a really long time since I actually dedicated time to doing makeup videos, but they're fun, and I forgot that they were fun. Treat yourself, man. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. If you want more videos like this, let me know down in the comments. Also, the thumbs up helps. We'll see you in the next one.